Hello, and welcome to Only Social. In today's video, I will show you how to add a custom thumbnail to your video, an amazing feature that will elevate your video content. Custom thumbnails are essential for capturing your audience's attention and giving your videos a professional look. Whether you're posting on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, Mastodon, or Telegram, we've got you covered. Let's get started. From your Only Social account dashboard, click on Create Post to open the Composer. Next, navigate to the Media Library to upload the video you wish to publish. Once uploaded, insert the video into the Composer. Then, click on the video to open up the editing options. This is where the magic begins. Now, click on the Edit Thumbnail button. This will allow you to choose the perfect thumbnail to represent your video. Here, you have two options. You can upload an image as your custom thumbnail or allow the system to choose from the video frames. If you enable the system to select the thumbnail from video frames, the system will scan the entire video and capture a screenshot at every 10 seconds. The amount of screenshots will vary depending on the length of the video. You can then choose one of these screenshots as your thumbnail, particularly for Instagram videos. Be sure to follow the instructions for posting your video on Instagram or YouTube. If you opt to use an image as your custom thumbnail, simply click on Upload Custom Thumbnail and choose the well-designed image you would like to use. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to apply it by clicking on the Apply Thumbnail button. Then simply hit Close to finalize your choice. You will now see your post preview displaying the new cover image you have selected or uploaded. Next, select the account where you want to post the video. With your thumbnail in place, you can now proceed to schedule or publish your post with confidence, knowing it looks its absolute best. And there you have it. Boost your video's appeal with a custom thumbnail across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and more. Remember, a compelling thumbnail is your first chance to grab your viewers' attention, so make it count. This marks the end of this video. Thanks for watching.